Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited to have you with me today. Our word of the day is advertisement. It's a noun that means a notice or announcement designed to promote something. You've probably come across advertisements everywhere on TV, online, on billboards, and even on the radio. They're all around us, working hard to grab our attention and showcase a product, service, or idea. Let's take a closer look at how we can use the word advertisement in everyday language. For example, you might say, "I saw an advertisement for a new phone that looks amazing," or "the company created an eye-catching advertisement to attract more customers." It's such a useful word, especially when you're talking about marketing or sharing information. Some synonyms for advertisement include ad, commercial, and promotion. For instance, you could say, "The ad during the game was so funny," or "that company is running a promotion on their new clothing line." These words are interchangeable in many situations, though some are more formal than others. On the other hand, antonyms for advertisement include concealment and suppression. These words have the opposite meaning, as they refer to hiding or withholding information. For example, "the concealment of key details led to confusion" contrasts sharply with the idea of an advertisement, which is all about making something known. You can easily bring the word advertisement into daily conversations. If you're planning a party, you might say, "Let's create an advertisement to invite people." Or, if you're brainstorming ideas for a school project, you could suggest, "How about we design a catchy advertisement to explain our idea?" Here are a few more examples to keep the word fresh in your mind. "The advertisement on the website caught my attention immediately." "She starred in an advertisement for a well-known skincare brand." We need a memorable advertisement to promote the fundraiser. To wrap up, today we explored the word advertisement, its meaning, synonyms like ad, commercial, and promotion, and its antonyms like concealment and suppression. I hope this gives you a better understanding of how to use this word effectively in your conversations. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show. I'd also love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using advertisement and share it in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the amazing world of words.